In this video, I'll show you how to create a poll on your Slack workspace. Maybe you've tried to create a poll on Slack, but you couldn't figure it out. Maybe you even looked at the commands and tried /poll, which did not work. Well, I will show you how to get a poll. First thing you'll do is go to the left side of your screen and click on More. Here we can go to automations and then we can see the recommended apps. We can see simple poll. We can also use Polly, but for now we'll use the simple poll. We'll click on add. That will take us to this screen. Here we click on add to Slack. And now we can see simple poll is requesting permission to access your workspace. Now, what will Simple Poll be able to view? They will see content and info about you, about your channels and conversations, and about your workspace. What will Simple Poll be able to do? They will be able to perform actions in channels and conversations and in your workspace. Now, if you want more information about any of these permissions, you can click on the arrows on the right, and then you can see more information. If you're okay with this, you click on Allow. It is possible you need to verify this action with a 6-digit code that will be sent to your email. If that is the case, you just go to your email and fill it in. And now we need to answer a few questions. This is to give Simple Poll some insights. First, what the best describes your Slack workspace. So now you just select the ones that is most applying to you. And then what department are you in? There are several different options. Just pick the one that suits you best. And then you need to review and accept the privacy policy and the terms of service of Simple Poll. So just click on it if you want to check it out. And here you just read the privacy policy and the terms of service. And after you've read that, you click the check mark and then on continue. Then, what is the main business outcome you'd like to achieve using Simple Poll? I want to enhance communication. Have you used Simple Poll before? Say yes or no. I say no. Now you're in. And now we can use the command /simple poll in our Slack to create a simple poll. So now when we go back to our Slack workspace, we can now click on the message box and here we can type in /simple poll. And now we see the option to create a poll. We click on it and now we can create our poll here. We can add a question or topic. For example, which day works best for the weekly meeting. Then we can decide how we want people to respond. So we can make them pick a response. We can also make them write a short text. We can make them rank options, several different options. And we can also give them a rating from scale of 1 to 5. We can also give yes, no questions, agree, disagree, Monday to Friday questions, more often to less often questions. There are a few optional settings you can add, like making all responses anonymous. This will make responses more reliable. You can also hide the results of the poll. You can also keep them hidden. And you can order results by most votes and close the poll automatically. For example, after 10 minutes, after 6 hours, or not at all. Once you filled everything in, you click on preview. And now if you want to create the poll, you click on create poll. Then you select the channel which you want to select the poll in. And I want it in the tutorial channel. So the channel is selected, then I click on save and create poll. And now our poll is created. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.